Welcome to HomeaZZon, the innovative home management app that caters to a wide range of users. Users can explore, collaborate, and make decisions on every aspect of their dream home, from nails to countertops in real time. Property developers can make expert suggestions, guiding homeowners in selecting the finest materials and designs. As construction begins, the app continues to streamline the build and design phases. Finally, homeowners exclusively own and maintain their dream properties with HomeaZZon. Homeowners love it for organizing their personal assets, from furniture to electronics. Vendors, both large and local, can leverage our app to promote their products, direct suggestions to consumers. Banks and insurance companies trust us for secure asset documentation. Realtors and Airbnb hosts manage property assets. Tradesmen use it to manage tasks and projects. Architects showcase their designs and collaborate seamlessly. Join us in shaping the future of home management. Download HomeaZZon now.